Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I activated my DIY homemade Molato soup. I have some ingredients I'm going to add to my soup today. I have my neem and moringa powder. This was done by me. Then I have my carotone. I have my BB Clear. I have my skin-free milk. I have my pigment dough. I have my DIY lemon oil. I have my ozone soap. I have for my ozone, I'll be adding 214 grams. So this alone is about 214 grams. My Ghana green balls and Ghana brown balls, I need a combination of about. Then for my oils, I need 450 mils. So I'm using my skin-free milk. I'm using about half of my skin-free milk. Then this is my pigment dough, about half to. You can see my pigment dough is the original one. This is how you know the original one. It has pigment dough written on it. That's how you know the original one. I need about 450. So I'll be adding my carotone, half pack of my carotone. That's my BSC carotone, not just my BSC carotone. Since this is a wash-off product, that's why you see I can afford to put in a lot of chemicals, because it will be washed off. The highest it will stay on our bodies will not be more than, say, 10 minutes or 7 minutes, or depending on how long it takes you to. So now this is my BB Clear oil. This is good in AHA, in alpha hydroxyl acids. It is anti-dark spot, tone corrector, anti-aging, anti-stretch mark, and all that. So I'm putting in mine. Then I'm putting in some of my Cool oil. This is my Cool oil that remained. I used it and I poured some here. So I'm putting in my Cool oil. So now, to make up to the 450, I'll use my DIY lemon oil, so that the lemon oil will also act as a moisturizer, and also to dilute the effect of the listing of my serums. So I've gotten my 450 now, pouring it all in. From my calculations, I'm supposed to use about 450, but I've used about 430 here. Then now I'll be adding my neem powder. Neem powder is very good. For those that know me, they know almost everything I do, whether in my salves or in my cream making, natural herbal soap making, I always add my neem powder. So I'm adding my neem powder now. I'm adding about 20 grams of my neem powder. This is also good. It will make this, it will fight against skin reactions, eczemas, make the skin firm, encourage and boost up the production of natural collagen by our body.
This neem, what does it mean? Is it the neem tree?
Yes, it's the neem tree.
Okay.
Yes, neem powder. So if you want to follow the way I made this soap, in your soap base, if you are following my first video, double the amount of your ozone soap, double the amount of your Ghana 3 days balls, double the amount of your Ghana anti-reaction balls. That will give you this particular base I'm using now. Now to this base, to it I added my BB Clear. I added a whole bottle. My pigment dough, I added half a bottle. My skin-free milk, I added half a bottle. My carotone, I added half a bottle. My lemon oil, I added about 200 grams. And then my neem powder, I added about 20 grams. And then in here, I've also already added my preservative. My preservative is about 4 grams. When I mix it like this, I cover it up till the next day. Then I stick blend it, then package.